me high. It's 32 counts forward, beginner level line dance. Starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left foot. Shuffle forward on right, left, right. Point left toes across right foot. Point left to left. Step together on left. Right foot. Stomp up without taking weight. Kick right forward. Coaster step back together forward. So one more time for section 1. Shuffle forward. 1 and 2. Point, point. 3, 4. And stomp up kick. 5, 6. Coaster step. 7 and 8. Section 2. Step, pivot, half turn right. Step left forward. Pivot, half turn right. Weight arm to right foot facing 6. Shuffle forward. Arm left, right, left. Heel, ball, cross twice. Touch right heel forward to right diagonal. Step right edge to left, cross step left. Heel, ball, cross. One more time for section 2. Weight is on the right foot. Step, pivot, half turn right. 1, 2, for shuffle. 3 and 4. Heel, ball, cross. 5 and 6. Heel, ball, cross. 7 and 8. Section 3. Right foot, side rock, recover. Behind, side cross. Left foot, side rock, recover. Cross step left over right. Make a quarter left turn, stepping back on right foot, facing 3. Section 4, sachet left, side shuffle on left, right, left. Right foot, rock back, recover. Heel, right, left, right. And then clap hands 2 times. Touch right heel forward, and touch right heel forward, and touch right heel forward, clap, clap. So one more time for these last 2 sections. Section 3, side rock, 1, 2, behind side cross, 3 and 4. Left side rock, 5, 6, cross, quarter turn back, 7, 8. Section 4, sachet left, 1 and 2. Back rock, 3, 4. Heel 3 times, 5 and 6 and 7. Clap hands 2 times and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. For the ending of the dance, you'll be doing the last wall facing the 9 o'clock wall. I'm facing 12 now, so 9 o'clock wall, you will do just section 1 of the last wall. And then make a quarter right turn to face the front. So facing 9, section 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Coaster step with a quarter right turn. 7 and 8.